In this video, you will learn how to find the Amazon account number. Sign into your Amazon account, go to Amazon and log in with your email or phone number and password to register your account you want to check. Check account, go to check account, login and security for your primary ID. Your email address and phone number are listed there, and Amazon does not display a simple numeric account number for customer accounts. Open the orders and find the order number. Each purchase shows a number or order number which references to your number of packages for your specific Amazon purchase. If you are a mean or seller in Amazon, sign into your Seller Central. In the Seller Central, your merchant ID or seller ID will appear under Settings or Account Information. If you use Amazon Pay or merchant account details, check the Amazon Pay dashboard. Log into your Amazon Pay and view the account settings. Find your merchant or seller identification account number. For AWS, find your 12-digit account ID in the AWS console. Sign into your AWS Management Console, then click the account name, and the 12-digit account ID will show in My Account page. Now you know how to find the Amazon account number, whether that be AWS, Amazon Pay, or if you're an Amazon seller. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.